Hello, Pigeon English coach here with another Pigeon English word for today. Today I want to talk about the phrase make sense. Make sense. When you say something makes sense, means the stuff is good quality, and it is commendable. So you can say, for example, you are eating food and the food tastes really good. Say the food makes sense. So you can maybe somebody has a good job. The job makes sense. Maybe someone has a good clothing on, and you can say, "Kai, the clothes make sense." So when something is high quality, good, and something that you can recommend to somebody, you say that it makes sense. All right. So the movie makes sense. The clothes make sense. The book makes sense. The job makes sense. The drink makes sense. The babe makes sense. The girl makes a lot of sense. Okay, so anything that is high quality, highly recommendable, you say it makes sense. That's how you describe it. All right. So that's all I have for you today. I'm working on our website, pigeonenglishcoach.com.ng. It's almost done, so I'm just gonna. You can go check it out, and if you want to buy the Kindle book, check it in the link. I have a physical book for Pidgin English. Check it in the link. You can sign up, join my email list, also in the link. I have the most comprehensive audio course or program on Pidgin English. Also get that in the link. Okay. If you get any question at all you want to ask me, put them for the comments. You understand that I talk? Eh? I go now. I go talk later. Another video they come. Bye bye.